Hello everyone, in today's video Teclast latest compact tablet features a sleek build and dual camera rings on the back, stands out for its aluminum body with a thickness of only 7.6mm and weight of 460 grams, and reduced frames for its 2K screen with instant illumination and excellent image quality. Don't miss the chance to explore our comprehensive Teclast T40 Air tablet video review. So let's look at the contents of the package. Let's put our T40 Air tablet aside. Moving on, we found some essential items such as paperwork, user manual instructions, warranty card. Here we have a SIM pin, USB Type-C charging cable, and finally an 80-watt fast charger to quick charge this tablet battery. Now that we've gone through the contents of this box, let's shift our focus to the tablet itself. Now introducing the all-new T40 Air tablet model from Teclast. Below the video you will find a link with the current pricing and more detailed information about the tablet. Feel free to visit the link as the prices are incredibly affordable for such a premium device. The Teclast T40 Air boasts an impressive 10.4-inch 2K screen with insert lamination that is fully illuminated and offers a brightness of 350 nits. It's equipped with 8GB of RAM and additional 8GB of virtual RAM, totaling a fast and responsible 16GB. With 256GB of storage, expandable up to 1TB using microSD card, this tablet provides ample space for all your files. It features the latest and excellent Unisoc T616 and comes preloaded with the latest Android 13 operating system. The T40 Air also stands out with its high-resolution quad stereo setup, slim profile of 7.6mm and lightweight design, only 460 grams. It supports 80 watts fast charging and is backed by a 7200 mAh battery for extended usage. In terms of camera capabilities, the tablet offers the 30MP AI dual-carrier camera with the aesthetically pleasing design, along with 8MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The tablet's overall design is stylish and premium, featuring a slim and compact form factor. The complete tablet is made of metal and in elegant grey color, giving it an expensive look. If this tablet has a Samsung logo on it, it would likely come with a much higher price tag. Fortunately, Teclast offers a more affordable price. Taking a closer look at the tablet sides, we found these volume buttons, power button, and a microphone host at the upper side. On this side we find the microSD card or SIM card tray. The tablet supports two 4G nano SIM cards or one nano SIM plus TF card with expandable storage up to 1TB. In the middle it is a USB-C charging port, and around it are two speakers. We can also find such speakers on the opposite side, resulting in total of 4 stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. Let's not forget to mention the 3.5mm headphone jack here on the side, which is really great. For the front, we can see the 8MP front camera positioned in the middle, accompanied by a pre-installed screen protector. The T40 Air's 10.4-inch display offers a bright and large viewing experience with the near bezel-less edges. With a 2K resolution 2000 by 1200 with a 60Hz refresh rate, 120Hz touch sampling rate, and a T-Color 3.0 for true to life visuals. The maximum brightness over 350 nits ensures usability in various light conditions, including sunlight. The thin bezels on the sides enhance the immersive display experience. Overall, this is a really great screen for watching YouTube videos, thanks to its large, high-quality display with vibrant colors. It will not leave you indifferent even when viewing different web pages or processing demanding documents on the screen. It will be a real pleasure to carry out your all-day work, study or entertainment. The tablet runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, making it exceptional adept of multitasking and a seamless app switching. It offers a pure Android experience devoid of bloatware and unexpected odds. The pre-installed Google Play Store provides a very fast array of apps, ensuring effortlessly synchronization with the transitioning from another device. The T40 Air allows it for extensive customization, including options like dark themes, wallpaper changes, interface color adjustments, and all the modifications supported by the new Android version. The user experience on this tablet is thoughtfully designed and incredibly user-friendly. T40 Air delivers outstanding performance, effortlessly handling tasks and applications without any noticeable lag. It truly excels in multitasking, enabling users to seamlessly transition between different activities. With its exceptional performance and a distinctive array of specifications and features, this tablet distinguishes itself from others in its category, often outperforming even those with considerably higher price tags. Using this tablet provides an exciting and effortlessly smooth experience. Gaming enthusiasts will discover immersive pleasure in the wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store. Thanks to the T40 Air's potent Unisoc T616 octa-core chipset paired with the Mali G57 GPU and 750 MHz that ensures seamless gameplay across most games. Moreover, the gaming experience is taking up a notch with its exceptional 120Hz touch sampling display. The tablets boast generous storage capacity and can be expanded up to a whopping 1 TB using a memory card, making the Google Play Store gaming section absolute favorite. To top it off, the tablet quad speakers, 2 on each side, deliver rich and high-fidelity audio, offering an impressive high-resolution audio surround sound experience. One of the most impressive aspects, besides the elegant design and the build quality of this tablet, is the aesthetically pleasing dual camera module with the LED flash on the back. The tablet features a 30-megapixel AI dual rear camera, which performs surprisingly well for the tablet. The camera app offers various options such as a panorama, pro capture, video recording, time-lapse or QR code scanning. I capture a few quick photos and video samples with this camera, so let's take a look. Not to not mention, we have a 7200 mAh battery with support for 80 watts fast charging that is optimized for all day use. This large battery ensures uninterrupted use through the day without any compromise. Let's not forget the T40 Air boasts a very sleek thin metal body. Its weight is 460 grams and a thickness of only 7.6 mm, which is a fairly comfortable dimensions to hold in your hands. The 10.4-inch IPS LCD panel on the tablet outputs a 2000 by 1200 pixels resolution with a 16 Hz refresh rate, 120 Hz touch sampling rate, and 3050 nits peak brightness. When it comes to performance, the tablet has an impressive 8GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to 16GB. Moreover, it provides 256GB of built-in storage and option to upgrade the internal storage space by up to 1 terabyte, which should be more than enough for most users. All this powered by excellent Unisoc T616 chipset. Considering all these features, I believe the Teclast T40 Air is an excellent tablet for various purposes, be in business, study or work through all day. Furthermore, it excels as a gaming tablet, allowing you to enjoy the latest gaming titles during your free time. The high quality display and the quad speakers also make it perfect for watching videos. If you are intrigued by this remarkable tablet, and I'm sure you are, simply check out the official sales link located right beneath the video. Hurry, as the special promotion price won't last long. Secure your brand new Teclast T40 Air tablet today. Trust me, you wouldn't want to let this chance slip by. That is all for now. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.